how to make the best chicken nuggets in the whole world. First, I need to open this up real quick so I can get into it. So, alright, we're gonna put it down real quick. Alright. Put as many chicken nuggets you want in your air fryer. This is 14 chicken nuggets right now. Now, since your air fryer plugged up, turn it on. At least 15 minutes, and I'll see you when it's done. Now, while the chicken nuggets are in the air fryer, Tyson brand, you want to go into your refrigerator, see if you got barbecue. You need barbecue for this, by the way. Yeah. Get the original Baby Ray's. Whatever kind you like, I like this sweet Baby Ray's. It's best. Now, while you wait for that, I'm going to lay down this on the table. Bow. Twist it around for you. The sauce is the boss. Sweet Baby Ray's. Sweet Baby Ray's gourmet sauce, award-winning barbecue sauce. Look, 14 in there, while that's on 15 minutes. Right now, it's on 14, so yeah. And for that, we're gonna watch my brother play 2K. 15 minutes, by the way. Look good and brown, those ladies. Yeah, right, yeah. Stuff we need. All done. Shake them when you open them. When you get done scooping them out, you want to grab your butter, your barbecue sauce. For this part, you have to eyeball it. So let me just go. Is that enough? A little bit more over here. Yeah, that's enough. By the way, make sure you have hot sauce. I forgot the hot sauce. Hot sauce added. Throw on the quit on the top and shake it up. And there you have it.